Hello, James Wooldridge from the Fleet Safety Academy here in York with another Fleet Risk Management Nugget for you. This video is for those fleet operators who have gone through the FORS accreditation process but who are still having vehicle collisions and still seeing insurance costs rise. I know cyclists need to be protected, and I know that you need FORS accreditation to keep your contracts. But I've met with plenty of fleet operators with FORS accreditation, even to gold standard, who have a fleet claimed history as long as your arm. So why isn't the FORS scheme helping improve fleet performance? Well, first of all, it doesn't introduce touch points with the driver, so communication on fleet safety standards is left wanting. Secondly, it results in lots of documentation being generated for the sake of the audit, but that documentation isn't being read and followed by the drivers. Number three, it doesn't introduce an effective management system which includes a performance review. If you're not measuring what's working and not working, you can't adjust your strategy. You're working in the dark and your collision-driven frustration will increase. Number four, the FORS scheme isn't based on the factors that actually cause collisions. You know, all those emotions that determine how much attention we pay to our driving when we jump behind the wheel. So if all your hard work getting through the FORS audit hasn't resulted in your collision frequency reducing, join the Fleet Safety Academy. Our service isn't a FORS substitute, it doesn't compete with FORS. But if you want to reduce collisions and save on insurance costs, membership of the Academy is essential. To find out more, go to fleetsafetyacademy.co.uk. Thank you.